Hey guys, this is going to be the Baltimore show review, and we're in our hotel room at 11 p.m. on Thursday night. The show goes on tomorrow and Saturday, but everybody really wants to know how dealer day and the first day went, so we're going to talk about it. So I have a few clips that I'm going to kind of put up here just because, yeah, a little bit happened today. So if you guys didn't know, the Mint released a coin today, the 230th anniversary 1 ounce gold coin. That was insane. It sold out. It sold out instantly online. I was in line for about 3 minutes, and then I got into the website and it was like unavailable, already sold out. I was like, okay, I guess not. Gotta wait for it to focus. They had about 500 available, I think, at the show, and I believe they sold every single one of them. The premiums were going for about 500 over at least. Okay, we're back. Okay, so dealer day went pretty well on Wednesday. The setup went pretty well. It was a pretty big show. I think a lot of people turned out. I think a lot of people turned up. And yeah, the very first day on Wednesday, which was just dealer setup, went pretty well. I think I got to help set up. Yeah, it went pretty well. Then Thursday, today, the first day to the public, right? You show up early, you're ready to go, you're excited to go to a coin show. It's kind of the winter, so it's a little bit slower. I think it went really well. There was a lot of people in the showroom floor. There was a lot of activity going on with dealers, with customers, lots of sales, lots of purchases. A couple coins that I purchased at the show were sold at the show. So I think the market is still moving extremely high amounts of coins. Okay. I do want to speak about, the market a little bit. The Morgans and other coins have been dropping a little bit recently, and I think that the market is starting to see that. The community, the public, everybody's starting to see that, and they're starting to kind of either hold their pricing where it is, which is too strong now, or they're lowering it a little bit and, taking a loss, or they're just, they bought it so recent that it's the price had already dropped. So I'm excited to see where it's going to go in the next couple of months and the next coming years. But I think the coin market is very good right now. I think a lot of people are coming in, especially on Whatnot, Instagram, TikTok, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I'm excited to see where it goes. I think this show, honestly, was probably like a 7.8 out of 10. Now, I give it that rating just because it was extremely cold outside. No, I'm just kidding. I'm a little bit biased because I'm from Vegas and it's super hot there all the time. But I think it was a good show. I had a lot of fun. Met up with some people I haven't seen in a little bit. I sold some coins. I bought some coins. Baltimore's not really that bad of a show. I think this is a really good show. This show kind of helps tie the end of the year in. And yeah, you guys should come down to the next Baltimore show if you're ever in the area or are thinking about it. Yeah, that's our show review for the Baltimore show. Pretty good show. Could have been better. Could have been really, it was pretty good. I'm not going to say could have been worse. It was very good. It was very good. Submissions were good. Coins were good. People were good. That's all you want in a coin show, right? Have a good day, everybody, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.